Hello there, welcome to our channel Login Tips again. Hope you are doing fine. I am back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to delete your Gmail account from your Android phone. And now without further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Okay, let's open up our Gmail app first, and here's our Gmail. So basically, if you have more than one Gmail ID registered in your phone, then all of them will show or pop out when you tap on your profile picture icon on the top right corner of your phone. Just tap there, and after that you can see all these Google accounts or Gmail accounts pop out. But I want to delete the first one, so you can see the manage Google account option over here. So tap on the manage Google account, and after that you will be taken to this interface, but you need to go to the data and privacy, which is the third one. Currently we are at home. Here's our personal info, and here's our data and privacy option. And when you scroll down a little bit, you can see the option delete your Google account at the bottom of the list. When you scroll down at the data and privacy option, you can see the delete your Google account option over here. Tap on there to delete it, and after that it will require your password. Enter your password correctly and next. So you can see the yes, I acknowledge, and yes, I want to permanently delete warnings over here. Tap on there. I don't want to download, and you might want to think about deleting Gmail account, because you will be deleting your blogs, your YouTube channels, everything related to it. So if you want to delete it, you can tick on those and tap on the delete account like this. And you can also see the Google Payment Center. I understand these accounts will be shut down option over here. Tap on there as well, and you can see all these options. So if you really want to delete your account, just tap on the delete account, and let's go, and let's head with the Chrome. You can see this account was recently deleted and may be recoverable. Click next to attempt to restore account. So there guys, deleting your Gmail account from your Android phone is this easy. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.